Hey folks, happy Wednesday. It's another Wednesday. This little video, Randy and I were up in Petoskey and we decided to go to Bay Harbor and see their car and boat show. Some great cars and great boats. We wanted to share it with you. So check this out and keep watching. Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach. Water here is about as clean as you're ever going to see, and it's as blue as the Caribbean. Have the need for speed? We have your answer.